Hey besties, it's Funhi65. I'm trying this again, so I'm going like really fast. So I recorded 30 freaking minutes of us playing Forgotten Desert, and I pressed don't save, so like, that's pretty fun. I'm gonna try this again.
Crap, I followed the wrong person and I got a lot of girls there.
Okay, I'll wait.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay, so
Oh,
let's start. Oh yeah, so we're gonna play 3 rounds, and I'm probably gonna like cut out all of it because nobody wants to see 17 minutes of me just like ranting about stuff. Okay, I'm editing, and literally what I just said about, oh yeah, like you don't want to see me doing 17 minutes of ranting, and literally that is what I do. So this round is literally just gonna be me cutting out everything, because if I not cut it out, I will be murdered. Thank you so much.
We should talk about cliche YouTubers.
At me.
Hashtag at. Okay, cut this part out.
Where are you going? Why are you faster than me? You're hacking.
No.
Animal Jammer 330. And also, I was obsessed with her. And when she opened a P.O. box, I sent like 4 things. But I sent her a water balloon and like a card.
Neat.
Okay, first prize is a bonnet. Those are ugly. OMG, the next prize! It's a freaking unicorn horn. I'm peeing. OMG, the next prize. I'm so excited. It's an elephant shoji scream. I'm bleh. Okay, last prize is a designer skirt. That one, I have 8 of those.
Future. I seen your boyfriend staring at me. He was staring from a distance. Yeah, go left because he wants this booty. I know. I tried to walk away because he had an android. Oh hell no. Oh no, this boy needs to go. Oh, staring at me like I'm a ho-oh. If he keep looking at me, I'ma drop him on the floor. Oh.
Okay, so we found the first prize. What is that? A tuxedo jacket. Ew. Okay, we got our next prize, and it's a silver one, which is like, you know, what is it? A royal tiara. Oh my god. Okay, so right friendship bracelet, whatever. I'm gonna close my eyes. Don't say anything if it's like good.
It's.
Ew. Okay, so. Because like it always says, Playfulbubbleyt, just, yeah. So that was our prize. Next we have the blue one. And we got golden bow and arrows. That is our cactus prize is... Ew! Okay, so that was our video. It is... And I'm going to leave all my links down below. I'm going to leave Bubbles' links down below because why not? So yeah, subscribe to me. Like, share this video because I need the views and the subs. So yeah, bye.